A major dual carriageway connecting London to the north was showing severe signs of deterioration. Cracks and potholes reappeared despite repeated resurfacing. Investigations revealed voids and subsidence beneath the rigid road structure, threatening its long-term stability. Traditional repair methods, full-depth reconstruction or cement-based grouting, would have been costly, disruptive and time-consuming. Instead, GeoPolymer provided an innovative low-carbon alternative using geopolymer injection. GeoPolymer's method targeted voids beneath the carriageway with minimal disruption. A high-precision, ground-penetrating radar survey identified weak areas, guiding precise injections of the expanding geopolymer material. The result? Immediate stabilisation of the sub-base ground, extending the road's lifespan without full reconstruction. The project covered 1,500 metres of road and was executed in 2 phases. Work was carried out overnight to minimise disruption, with the road remaining open during the day. Traffic management was carefully coordinated, reducing the overall project time. Sustainability was at the heart of the solution. Compared to traditional excavation, GeoPolymer's approach reduced carbon emissions by 327 tonnes, equivalent to taking 70 cars off the road for a year. And in terms of time saving, the entire project was completed in under 6 weeks, which is at least 4 times faster than conventional methods. By choosing GeoPolymer, the client achieved a cost-effective, low-carbon and efficient solution, ensuring a stable and durable road for many years to come.